Hi guys, Mike Reviews It All here. I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency today. A lot of people say the sky is falling in cryptocurrency. Lately, almost everything has been down. Today it wasn't near as bad. It wasn't as bad a bloodbath, but Bitcoin price was over $16,000, I think just about 3 or 4 days ago. Ethereum had been the only one up for a little while. It's down a little bit today, but just about everything else has been down all week. A lot of people just say, what is this? What is this crypto coin? And should I pay real money for it? How easy is it to get your money out in exchange? If you're with Coinbase, suppose it's pretty easy, about 3 hours. I haven't cashed out from there yet. You can go the mining route, which is very complicated. If you do go the mining route, do your research. There's a lot of people out there right now selling junk processors for thousands of dollars, trying to take advantage of miners. A lot of places I see pawn shops putting up ads that they'll buy cryptocurrency and buy or sell. They're charging as much as 20% commission. This is absolutely insane. It looks like the people that are really making money off the cryptocurrency right now are the people exchanging it, because there is no banks. You're basically printing money on your computer. A lot of people say, why is that so different than what the Federal Reserve does? Well, it's backed on the confidence in the United States and so many things like that. But you got to look at the FDIC insures your deposits up to $250,000. And now there's laws where if you have over that, it just deposits them in several different banks across the country. So all your money is basically insured. If somebody hacks into your bank account or your credit card, if you let Visa or MasterCard or your bank know pretty quickly, you're insured and covered. These cryptocurrencies, not only have they been hacked very often, as far as I can see, there's been very little to no prosecution of any of these. And there's just, there's hundreds of them. You can make your own cryptocurrency. Look up videos out there right now. There's videos on how to make your own cryptocurrency. Obviously, the market has a lot of excitement behind it right now, and some people are making a lot of money. Kodak just launched their own coin, the Kodak coin, and their idea is that they're also making basically a huge program called Kodak One, and it'll be kind of like PhotoBucket or something like that, where photographers, the idea is that they can take their photos that they haven't been getting paid for and get a valid copyright on them, and then people would pay them in Kodak coin. Well, Kodak's stock price tripled in about 3 days on announcing that they were getting into the cryptocurrency and this blockchain thing. What I would say, if you're getting in this, I'm not going to say it's a total scam. I tried a little bit of the mining myself. I did put in a little bit of money. I know some friends that have put in a little bit more. Realize that this is a very risky investment. Don't put anything in that you can't afford to lose tomorrow, because it can be gone. And I don't have a problem with you investing in it if you realize, tell yourself this is a speculative investment. A speculative investment should be a very small part of your portfolio. Less than 5%, and most financial advisors will tell you something this risky should be no more than 1% of your financial portfolio. So if you're not invested in stocks right now, in real estate, and different things, my advice, and from what I've heard from people a lot smarter than me, Carl Icahn, who's a veteran investor, Warren Buffett, of course, is one of the greatest investors in the world, Jim Cramer, host of Mad Money, one of the most successful stock pickers in the history of the world. They all kind of say this thing, don't put over 1% in it, and make sure that you're diversified in other things. The stock market's on fire right now. You almost can't lose if you pay attention. Does that mean a recession's coming, 3-6 months from now? With a lot of the things that are changing right now, probably not. I would say probably not, because of the drop in all the different regulations that, like him or hate him, Trump has came in. He's been great for the stock market. And the stock market's probably going to go higher. I imagine the stock market's going to easily hit 30,000 before it starts going down. It was up over 200 points today. So is this a place to invest your money? I mean, that's for you to decide. Do your research. Watch videos on people that know a lot about this. Don't build a mining machine without doing a ton of research, researching the price on your processors. These processing companies are jacking up the price of these things too, because they're backlogged. There's such an insane craze around this. I can't help but be reminded about the .com bubble. So, I mean, if you're an avid investor and you want to buy, put 1% or so of your net value into this, maybe buy some of these on a dip. Some of the ones that you think are going to go up, like IOTA, that's still pretty, priced pretty reasonably. It's down a little dip today. I mean, that's just in the last hour, and you can see how volatile these things are. But I mean, buy 100 IOTA, put in less than $350. For the average person, I definitely wouldn't, advise putting over $1,000 in this. But I don't know what your investment portfolio looks like. But like I said, my cryptocurrency is well less than 1% of my portfolio. I've been an avid investor pretty much since I was 19 years old. I have over $1 million portfolio. I have about $1,000 in cryptocurrency. So that's about 0.1%. And that's honestly right now probably about all that I really want to put into it. It could be gone tomorrow. I said it's easily hacked into. There's almost no prosecution on the theft of this. If you are going to buy it, I would recommend going to Coinbase. I wouldn't go anywhere else. They are by far the least risky. They're not selling all these different coins right now, though. At the moment, they're only selling about 5 of them. But as far as I know, Coinbase is really the only really reputable place where you can buy all of these coins. You can mine a lot of them, different places. I was night mining for some Monero the other night. I don't have the greatest processor, but I got a little bit. Did I get a whole Monero, in the last 3 days? No. But I got a couple bucks. I joined one of these little mining pools just to check it out. And, I don't know. I'll probably do some more. I don't know where it's going to, but another consensus that the biggest investors in the world have right now, though, and Jim Cramer just said this on Mad Money the other day, is yes, it's a speculative investment, but is it going away? No, most likely not. And he said, no, it's not going anywhere, actually. So, I mean, he knows a lot more about investing than I do. I do study this stuff a lot. But take that for what it's worth. Like I said, my advice is if you're going to get into this, do your research, talk to some experts. Don't put a lot of money in this. Don't expect to get rich quick. That's what a lot of people think this is. And in a way, it's like a digital gold rush. And a lot of people are going to end up broke and sad and disappointed. And I don't want that for you. Definitely make sure you're secure in your mining, your buying, and whatever you're doing. And go out there. If it's fun for you, have fun. And I hope that through this avenue, more people get interested in investing in other things and more stable things like stocks, which you're actually investing in company, and real estates where you own an actual physical property. I'm not here to hate on cryptocurrency. I understand kind of how it comes about. I don't think it's a complete ruse, but I also know it is extremely volatile and extremely insecure right now. So, like I said, don't put over 1% of your net value in it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Please give me a like and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see me do more of these financial videos. I do a lot of MMA, news videos, a little bit of conspiracy stuff. I haven't done a whole lot of finance, and this is another one of my interests. So, like I said, I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you watch some more of my videos, and have a great week.